Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited for today's video because we're diving headfirst into something I'm truly passionate about: DIY home renovations. There's just something so satisfying about taking a space that feels a little tired and breathing new life into it with your own two hands. We're going to be tackling all sorts of spaces today, from kitchens and living rooms to bedrooms, bathrooms, and even your outdoor areas. And the best part, we're doing it all on a budget. You don't need a big old budget to make a big impact, and I can't wait to show you how. So whether you're yearning for a cozy farmhouse kitchen, a serene bedroom retreat, or a backyard oasis perfect for those warm summer nights, stick around. I'm sharing all my best tips and tricks to help you transform your house into a home you absolutely love. Let's jump right in. Alright, before we grab our paintbrushes and tool belts, let's take a deep breath and talk about the importance of planning. Just like when Chip and I start a new project, having a solid plan is key to staying on track, avoiding unnecessary stress, and ensuring your project turns out even better than you imagined. First things first, set your budget. Knowing how much you're comfortable spending will guide your decisions throughout the entire process. And trust me, it's easier to make those decisions up front than to be surprised by unexpected costs down the road. Next, let's talk vision boards. Now I know it might seem a little silly, but there's something about gathering inspiration, colors and textures that really helps bring your vision to life. Flip through magazines, scroll through Pinterest, and gather images that speak to your style and the feeling you want to create in the space. Once you have a clearer picture in mind, it's time to create a timeline. Break down your project into smaller, manageable tasks and assign realistic deadlines for each. This will not only help you stay organized but also give you a sense of accomplishment as you check off each milestone. And finally, before you even think about picking up a hammer, gather your materials. Make a list of everything you'll need, from paint and flooring to hardware and textiles. This is where you can get creative and save some money. Consider repurposing items you already have, scouring flea markets for unique finds, or checking out online marketplaces for deals. Oh, the kitchen. It's truly the heart of the home, where families gather, meals are shared, and memories are made. And while a full-blown kitchen renovation can be quite the investment, I'm here to tell you that you can achieve a stunning transformation without breaking the bank. One of my favorite budget-friendly tips is to paint your cabinets instead of replacing them. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, instantly updating the look and feel of your kitchen. Don't be afraid to go bold with color or keep it classic with a crisp white or a soothing shade of blue. And while you're at it, why not give those cabinet doors a little extra love by swapping out the hardware? New knobs and pulls can make a world of difference, adding a touch of personality and charm. Now let's talk backsplashes. Instead of splurging on expensive tile, consider a DIY approach. Peel and stick tile is incredibly easy to install and comes in a variety of styles to suit any taste. Or get creative with a beadboard backsplash, a painted design, or even open shelving. Speaking of open shelving, it's a fantastic way to add visual interest, create a more airy feel, and showcase your favorite dishes and decor. Just remember, less is more. You don't want your shelves to feel cluttered or overwhelming. And finally, let's shed some light on the situation. Upgrading your kitchen lighting can make a huge difference in the overall ambience. Consider adding pendant lights over an island, under cabinet lighting for a warm glow, or even a statement chandelier to create a focal point. The living room is where we unwind after a long day, entertain friends and family, and create countless memories. So, let's transform it into a cozy and inviting space that reflects your personal style and makes everyone feel right at home. One of the easiest ways to add character and depth to your living room is with wall treatments. A fresh coat of paint in a warm, inviting hue can do wonders, but don't be afraid to get creative. Consider an accent wall with a bold color or pattern, or add architectural interest with wainscoting or shiplap. When it comes to furnishings, don't underestimate the power of thrifted finds. Flea markets, antique shops, and online marketplaces are treasure troves of unique and affordable pieces that can add character and charm to your space. A vintage rug, a cozy armchair, or a statement coffee table can instantly elevate your living room style. Speaking of coffee tables, why not give yours a DIY upgrade? A fresh coat of paint or stain can work wonders, or get creative with stencils, decoupage, or even a tiled tabletop. Storage is key in any living room, but it doesn't have to be boring. Opt for stylish storage solutions like woven baskets, vintage suitcases, or open shelving to keep clutter at bay while adding visual interest. And finally, let's talk rugs. Layering rugs is one of my favorite design tricks to add warmth, texture, and visual interest to a space. Start with a larger neutral rug as your base, then layer a smaller rug with a bold pattern or texture on top to define the seating area. Chapter 4. Bedroom Refresh, Sleep in Style. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary, a peaceful retreat where you can unwind and recharge. So let's give it a refresh that reflects your personal style and promotes a sense of calm and tranquility. One of my favorite ways to transform a bedroom is with a DIY accent wall. This could be a bold paint color, a textured wallpaper, or even a gallery wall of your favorite artwork and photographs. It's amazing how such a simple change can completely transform the look and feel of a space. And while we're on the subject of transformations, let's talk about your bed frame. If yours has seen better days, consider giving it a makeover. A fresh coat of paint, a new headboard, or even some simple DIY embellishments can make all the difference. Now let's talk storage. A well-organized bedroom is a happy bedroom, so let's create a space for everything. Consider adding floating shelves, underbed storage bins, or even a stylish dresser to keep your belongings tidy and easily accessible. When it comes to bedding, choose soft, breathable fabrics in calming colors and patterns. Layer your bed with plush pillows, cozy throws, and a luxurious duvet for a truly inviting and restful retreat. And finally, don't forget about your nightstands. These often overlooked pieces can add a touch of personality and functionality to your bedroom. Consider giving yours a DIY makeover with paint, new hardware, or even a simple decoupage project. Chapter 5. Bathroom Glow-Up, Small Changes, Big Impact. Bathrooms are often the smallest rooms in our homes, but that doesn't mean they can't pack a big design punch. With a few simple DIY upgrades, you can transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to update your bathroom is with peel and stick tiles. These ingenious inventions come in a wide variety of styles, from classic subway tile to bold geometric patterns, and they're incredibly easy to install. Next, let's give that vanity a little love. A fresh coat of paint, new hardware, and a stylish mirror can work wonders. And if you're feeling really ambitious, consider replacing the countertop with a budget-friendly option like butcher block or laminate. Now let's talk storage. Floating shelves are a great way to add storage without sacrificing precious floor space, while a small storage ladder can provide a stylish spot for towels and toiletries. Here's a simple trick that can instantly elevate your bathroom frame: your mirror. A framed mirror looks so much more polished and intentional than a basic builder-grade mirror, and it's a relatively easy DIY project. And finally, don't underestimate the power of new shower curtains and towels. Choose colors and patterns that complement your bathroom's decor and create a sense of spa-like luxury. Chapter 6. Outdoor Space Makeover. Create a backyard oasis. Now let's step outside and give our outdoor spaces some love. Whether you have a small patio, a sprawling deck, or a spacious backyard, these simple DIY upgrades will help you create an inviting oasis for relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying the great outdoors. One of my favorite ways to add both function and style to an outdoor space is with DIY pallet furniture. Pallets are incredibly versatile and can be transformed into everything from cozy seating areas to stylish planters and even outdoor bars. Let's talk ambiance. String lights are a magical way to add a warm and inviting glow to your outdoor space. Hang them overhead, drape them around trees, or even use them to create a magical canopy over your dining area. If you're looking for a way to add some greenery and privacy to your outdoor space, consider creating a vertical garden. Vertical gardens are a great way to maximize space, and they can be as simple or elaborate as you like. Gather around the fire pit. A fire pit is a wonderful addition to any outdoor space, providing warmth, ambiance, and a gathering spot for friends and family. And the best part? You can easily create your own DIY fire pit using pavers, cinder blocks, or even an old metal fire ring. And finally, no outdoor space is complete without a cozy spot to relax and enjoy the fresh air. Create an inviting seating area with outdoor rugs, comfy cushions, and plenty of throw pillows. Outro, you did it. Time to enjoy your transformed home. And there you have it, folks. We've tackled every corner of our homes, from the heart of the kitchen to the tranquility of the bedroom, and even our very own outdoor havens. Remember, transforming your home doesn't require a big budget, just a whole lot of heart and a dash of DIY spirit. Which transformation inspired you the most? I'd love to hear all about your dream projects in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel for more inspiring makeovers, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. From my home to yours, happy renovating. I can't wait to see what you create.